In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Snapchat device ban. As you can see, we're using my phone's interface, but it works on all devices, and we don't need to utilize the Snapchat app. I understand how difficult this is for you, therefore, I will assist you till the end of this video. So the first step is to open your browser and type fix Snapchat account lock, and it will auto-predict it. You also need to contact Snapchat support. And you must search for my account has been temporarily locked, and you need to tap on going here, and it will redirect us to snapchataccounts.com, where we must fill in the blanks. Once logged in, scroll down until you found the unlock my account option. I won't be able to tap that because my account isn't blocked. This one is surely where to go. However, you may be in a situation where the account is permanently locked. So let's try this method now. All you have to do is type snapchatsupport.com into your computer browser, and here we are. Next, proceed to type on my account has been compromised. And select the first area, I'm unable to access my account. Just fill in the blanks, then fill in the blanks, then click the submit button, and you're done.